Looking for finance and self-development quotes to boost your money managing mindset? You've come to the right place. In this video we will highlight 25 powerful quotes that will keep you motivated and make you think differently about money and finances. You can replay this video every day to put you on your path to success. Before we begin, please make sure to hit the like button, so YouTube shows this video to others as well, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to support the channel. I will link the names of those who made these powerful statements in the description below. Let's begin the video. 1. Too many people spend money they earn to buy things they don't want, to impress people that they don't like. 2. Time is more valuable than money. You can get more money, but you cannot get more time. 3. It's not how much money you make, but how much money you keep, how hard it works for you, and how many generations you keep it for. 4. How many millionaires do you know who have become wealthy by investing in savings accounts? I rest my case. 5. You must gain control over your money or the lack of it will forever control you. 6. Don't stay in bed, unless you can make money in bed. 7. Money can't buy happiness, but it can make you awfully comfortable while you're being miserable. 8. I will tell you the secret to getting rich on Wall Street. You try to be greedy when others are fearful. And you try to be fearful when others are greedy. 9. If money is your hope for independence, you will never have it. The only real security that a man will have in this world is a reserve of knowledge, experience, and ability. 10. Money is only a tool. It will take you wherever you wish, but it will not replace you as the driver. 11. Investing should be more like watching paint dry or watching grass grow. If you want excitement, take $800 and go to Las Vegas. 12. Opportunity is missed by most people because it is dressed in overalls and looks like work. 13. Rich people have small TVs and big libraries, and poor people have small libraries and big TVs. 14. I'm only rich because I know when I'm wrong. I basically have survived by recognizing my mistakes. 15. If we command our wealth, we shall be rich and free. If our wealth commands us, we are poor indeed. 16. Finance is not merely about making money. It's about achieving our deep goals and protecting the fruits of our labor. It's about stewardship and, therefore, about achieving the good society. 17. I'm a great believer in luck, and I find the harder I work the more I have of it. 18. The stock market is filled with individuals who know the price of everything, but the value of nothing. 19. Success isn't measured by money or power or social rank. Success is measured by your discipline and inner peace. 20. It takes as much energy to wish as it does to plan. 21. Buy when everyone else is selling and hold until everyone else is buying. That's not just a catchy slogan. It's the very essence of successful investing. 22. Develop success from failures. Discouragement and failure are two of the surest stepping stones to success. 23. Try to save something while your salary is small. It's impossible to save after you begin to earn more. 24. Before you speak, listen. Before you write, think. Before you spend, earn. Before you invest, investigate. Before you criticize, wait. Before you pray, forgive. Before you quit, try. Before you retire, save. Before you die, give. 25. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest.